AssalamuAlaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are all doing well. Today we brought some more tips about how to make our voice beautiful in terms of reading the Quran in a beautiful manner. So first thing is we have to do something to make our voice beautiful, in which we should drink warm water mixed with honey daily in the morning and in the evening. And also we have to do some gentle massage over the throat muscles here. And then we should avoid some things like cool drinks, cold water, ice cream, and the things which are cold. And we should avoid yelling, shouting, and we should speak in a moderate way. Don't shout or don't speak slowly. Otherwise, it will tear our throat muscles, the lining of the throat muscles. And the second important thing is we have to practice daily with some words or with some sentences or with Quran and Hadith and du'as. So for example, when you wake up, the first thing before Fajr or after Fajr, you have to read or you have to practice at least 10 minutes in moderate voice. Okay, don't read with louder, don't read with lower voice, keep it in moderation. And also, during the day, practice with some other words, like, for example, the names of Allah. Like you can take Ya Rabb, O my Lord, or O Lord. So you can raise your voice from low pitch towards the high pitch, and from high pitch to the low pitch. For example, Ya Rabb. Then from high to low, Ya Rabb. Otherwise, you can practice with other things like durood, du'as. So if you want to take the example of durood, you can read this durood like Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Inshallah, if you apply these tips in your daily life and also make dua, so inshallah one day you will become a famous reciter of the Quran and your voice quality will be improved, inshallah ta'ala. AssalamuAlaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.